Hello there and welcome to another cool smartphone unboxing with Gary. Today we're going to have a look at a new smartwatch on the market in the form of the Zepp E. Some similarities here in design to the Apple Watch, but this is a standalone smartwatch with its own operating system. So we're going to get it unboxed and have a look. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here it is. The Zepp E smartwatch. Packaging very nice. I have opened the side. I'll just move that out of the way. Opening up the box, first and foremost you have the watch front and center. Just pop that off to the side. Underneath here, from this wee pull tab at the bottom, we have charging cable bundle, and I believe this is a little dock style charger. If I can open the packaging, there we go. So it's a little two-pronged dock that connects up to any USB type A. Underneath that we have our information leaflet, and we've also got what looks to be another strap. So if we open this out, pull the top half out, and there's another strap piece, and these are leather straps. And then underneath that we have our instruction manual with various languages including English. There's not a lot of information in there. The vast majority of the information, I believe, is found to be on the app. So we'll just move all of this off to the side and concentrate on the watch itself. So the watch itself is approximately 36 grams in weight, and we have the I believe we've got the Polar Night Black version. It does come in Moon Grey, Deep Sea Blue, Metallic Blue, Special Edition, Onyx Black and Pebble Grey, and those last two do come with a fluoroelastomer band, which is the band they recommend using if you're going to be swimming and things with it. The size is 43.3 millimeters in height, 35.7 in width, and 9 millimeters in thickness, and I believe that does accommodate the sensor array on the back, which we'll come back to. It's made out of stainless steel and glass, obviously, for the screen. The screen is an AMOLED screen measuring in at 1.65 inches diagonal with a resolution of 348 by 442, giving a PPI of 341. Inside we've got a battery which is 188 milliamp hours, and the charging time is estimated at 2 hours. Now supposedly this battery will last for up to 7 days with typical watch usage. If you are using in basic watch mode, which we'll need to discover, then it will reportedly last for up to 15 days. As for the sensors that I mentioned that are on the back, we have biological tracking, optical sensor, acceleration, geomagnetic, ambient light and linear vibration, and it supports Bluetooth 5 Bluetooth Low Energy Protocol. Just take that off, and we'll take the front one off. On the side you have just a single button, and this is a multifunctional button, and pressing and holding will power it on. So you can see that's it powered on now, and the screen from first initial impressions looks to be quite vibrant and vivid. Now in order to set up the rest of the watch, it does require us to scan this barcode with the Zepp app, which is downloadable from the Play Store but also from the Apple Store, I believe, as well. I will need to confirm that though. So that is a very brief overview of the Zepp E Smartwatch, which is now available in the UK. It does ship from China, but you can also buy it in the UK, and it comes in at the price of, I'm just getting confirmation, I believe it is £209. So I'm going to be using this as my daily watch, replacing my TicWatch S that I've been using for the last year, and I'm going to see how we get on. I know from the get-go it doesn't have all the functionality that an Android Wear watch or a Google Wear, I can't remember what they're calling it these days, has, but for what I use it for, which is mainly going to be step counting, telling the time, and notification alerts and management, it should perform these reasonably well. So that's all we have for the Zepp E, and if you want to find out more, including the full review, then I recommend checking out the Cool Smartphone website. And while you're at it, if you could give us a like if you liked it, follow the channel, and it can't hurt to subscribe, and then you can see all the latest content to come from coolsmartphone.com. Cheers, bye.